Hey guys, this is a product review of these rock lights that I will be installing on my 2003 Jeep Wrangler. First off, I was super impressed with how well these rock lights were packaged. As soon as you take the foam off, you'll see all the wires that are included. Something really cool about this is it also has a button switch that you can route. A couple more things that are really cool about this is you get a sticker and a couple remotes to change colors, some mounting screws, and some foam to put on the back of the pod lights. With how long the wires are coming off these rock lights, installation was super easy and painless. Here are some of the color options, and also I'll show you a strobe option as well. Overall, super happy with this product. Lights are super bright, super easy to install, and with plenty of wire, it didn't seem like I was stretching them too far. Overall, I give this product 2 thumbs up.